Or yes, there's this final college project and it takes place far away from here. I need to participate.
That means if you don't go, you won't be able to graduate, right? Then go.
Yes, but no one would take care of you.
Well, I'm alright with it. You must participate, sis.
But no one would take care of you, Aura.
But you won't be able to graduate.
I'll think about it.
Oh, hi, Kira. What is it do you need, dear?
Hi, Miss Kathleen. Sorry to bother you. I have this final college project, and it takes place far away from here. But I don't have anyone to take care of my sister.
Ah, must be the community service program. Those programs will usually take months.
Yeah.
Well, I could take care of your sister while you're away.
Really? Are you sure
Yeah.
about this, Miss?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I will never forget your kindness, Miss Kathleen. Thank you.
No problem.
Aura, I'll be going now. Don't be a burden to Miss Kathleen, alright? Here's some money. It's not much, but it'll last you for a few weeks.
Nice. Thank you, sister. Please take care of it.
Once again, thank you so much, Miss Kathleen.
No problem, dear. Be careful on the way and don't forget to contact us.
Sure.
You want hurry up? We're gonna be late.
I'll take the leave now. See you guys. Miss
Bye,
you.
Aura.
Come on in, Aura. Let's go in.
Yes.
Can you wait for a moment, Aura? I'll be back soon.
Okay, miss.
Alright, come on, Aura. Let's eat. Here. Sit here. This is your food.
Wait, what kind of meat is this?
It's pork.
Oh my god! Is it pork? Where's the toilet?
Hey, are you alright? Are you allergic or something?
Yes, I'm okay, miss. It's just in my religion we cannot eat pork. It's haram.
Oh god, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that.
It's not your fault. It's okay.
Aura, what would you like to eat? I can cook something else for you. Do you like potatoes?
Yes, but make sure the pan is clean from pork marks.
Okay, I'll go wash the pan first. Aura, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go to school.
Isn't that Catherine and Kila's little sister?
Huh. What is she doing? Is she taking care of the child?
Cass. Oh, hi, Diva. How are you?
Oh, I'm good, but can you ask me about something? What is it? Was that girl just now Kila's little sister?
Yes.
Are you taking care of her?
Yeah?
Why?
Well, Kila has to leave for a few months because of her college final project, so I had to take care of Aura for a while.
Don't you know? Aura is a Muslim. That religion have a lot of prohibitions.
What do you mean?
Well, your roommate likes to eat pork, right? That means you only have stock pork in your house. In Islam, it is prohibited to eat pork. You also like to post certain photos in social media, right? Well, in Islam, it is also prohibited to post certain photos.
Hey, what's happening over there?
Okay, do you know what's happening? Kila, that Muslim girl in our neighborhood, left on a college trip and left her little sister, Aura, to Cat.
So what? Isn't that good considering Aura's still a child? Plus, she's blind, isn't she?
Why can't you understand either? Aura is a Muslim, meanwhile Kat on the other hand is a Buddhist. Aura can't eat pork, meanwhile Kat only have stock pork in her house.
Well, that's normal. Aura is prohibited to eat pork.
What a pain. Can't their just parents do it?
They're orphans, Deva. It's already a must for us to take care of them. Besides, Aura is still young, right, Kansa?
Yeah, you're right.
In Hindu, a few people, like for example high caste people, they are prohibited to eat beef because it is considered as a pure animal. Just like in Islam, they are also prohibited to eat certain meats, like pork.
Oh well, in Islam, we are prohibited to eat pork because it is haram or impure. There are a lot of germs.
In my religion, there is no specific prohibition about eating something, but it is recommended to be a vegetarian to train to avoid killing animals. I only have pork in the fridge. Those are leftovers from my previous roommates.
You're right, there are prohibitions to eat something in Christian too, right?
Yes, we are prohibited to eat food that is presented for the idolatry. We could be considered of shunning our own faith.
Yep, same goes for Catholicism. If they are Confucian, they are similar to Buddha. Some even do not eat cows because they are considered helper gods.
Now you understand, right? No prohibitions are made without any meaning behind it. Likewise in Islam, every one of their prohibitions have a meaning behind them.
Oh, by the way, instead of standing here doing nothing, let's come over to my house to eat. And don't worry, the food is tolerable.
Okay, sure, let's go.
Can you wait here for a moment? I will get us something to drink.
Okay.
Hey, look!
Hey, who is here? Is the blind girl?
What is a blind girl doing on a study tour? She can't even see anything.
Hey, the fact that I'm blind doesn't mean I can't learn. I can still hear and feel.
What can you feel? Doing?
What's wrong with it? I can still understand the material the teacher are giving to us.
Oh my god, you're studying? We're having fun with our eyes, right, Aya?
Of course.
Going to malls? Guys, what is the use of studying in study tour?
Just wait. Later they will be able to answer the quizzes.
You think the teacher are even paying attention to us? No!
Just wait and see, bruh.
You guys are the one that didn't pray, right? Astaghfirullahalazim. Guys, you're Muslim, but didn't even go to pray. How does that even work?
What a disgrace. She's blind but still prays. You guys, take a look at yourselves. How embarrassing.
What a joke.
Don't bother us here. Who do you think you are? I think close enough.
You. Besides, you guys were bothering Aura for even paying attention to the teacher. What did she even do wrong?
For real, take care of those trivial matters. Don't you guys have something better to do? Go write down the materials.
Let's just leave, Nat.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
No problem. Love to help.
May I know who you guys are? I don't recognize your voices.
Of course. I'm Nara, and I'm from MTsN, just like you.
I'm Rania. I'm from a Confucius school.
Oh, so you are a Confucian?
Yep, that is correct.
Thank you so much, Nara and Rania. Even though we have different religion, you still help me.
No problem. Well, we still have to help and be tolerant to each other.
In Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, we believe.
Thank you.
Who's calling?
Hi guys! Hi!
Hi!
Oh, were you guys hanging out together?
Yeah, we were just chilling together.
Yeah, how are you guys there?
We're good. What about you guys?
We're doing great too. And look at us chilling with our food. Oh, yummy.
Where's Aura? Haven't seen her for a while.
Aura, she's enjoying her sleep.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from 9 bilingual class of MTsN 1 City of Makassar. I am Siti Akwila Visa, serial number 37.
And I'm Andi Zakia Alifazara, serial number 10.
We are both the cameramans and the writers of the story. That's why we did not appear at all during the shooting because, yeah, we're the cameramans. First of all, we would like to say thank you very much for all of our supportive friends and teachers that has guided us through the filmmaking of Harmony in Faith. We would like to thank you, the viewers.
And we would like to say thank you to all the viewers too, to supporting us. Please like our video so it's going to be viral. And
Yeah, woo, viral. Okay, that's it from us. I am Nafisa, the cameraman and the writer.
I'm Kia, the cameraman and the writer.
We'd like to say goodbye and salam toleransi.
Tolerant greeting.
Tolerant greeting. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.